Hello, this is librarian Jennifer Bone from the Belleville Campus Library. Today I'm going to show you how to find one other source that can be used in your history paper for Professor Webb. His paper is asking you to find 5 sources. You need to find 2 books, 2 articles, and one other source. A great source to use is located on the SWIC Library webpage in the Find Facts tab. To get to the SWIC Library webpage, just go to swic.edu. From the main page of the college, you can hover over Student Services and select Library from the drop-down list. When you land on the library page, you will see the students studying at the table, and to get to the Find Facts tab, you can scroll down underneath the picture. Now in the Find Facts tab are going to be collections of encyclopedias and almanacs and fact-based books. There's also going to be some generalized encyclopedias in there, but what your teacher has approved for you to find in here, if this is where you'd like to look, is specialized encyclopedias. Now your other source can also be a web page from the World Wide Web, but this is a place that we think you'll find some really good, reliable facts. So in the Find Facts search box, go ahead and type in one of your terms. I'm going to type in conquistadors. And click Go. It's going to prompt you to log in, and whenever you're working from home or off campus, they'll ask you to log in with your student ID number and your password that you use for your email and your Brightspace and your eStorm. Click Log In. From here, it's going to take you into the product. You'll see that it's called Credo Reference. So it's looking in reference books, which are those specialized encyclopedias. You'll see the term that you typed in will also be located at the top of the page. And then you'll see underneath, it'll tell you conquistadors and where it's coming from. So you're going to see things like this one's coming from Encyclopedia of Warrior Peoples and Fighting Groups. And the length of this entry in that particular book is 1,500 plus words. I can also see this term here coming from the Reader's Companion to Military History. And these are going to be very specialized encyclopedias, even this one that's coming from the Encyclopedia of Mexico, History, Society, and Culture. This one is very lengthy at 4,000 words. This one is a lot shorter at 400 words. If I go down even further, I'm going to see one of those general encyclopedias, which is Britannica Concise Encyclopedia, and you'll see that that entry is very short. It's only 116 words. And so what you want to do is try to find the ones that have the longer lengths, and those are the ones that usually indicate that that is going to be a more specialized encyclopedia. To read the entry, you can just click on the term. It will open up the entry for you, and you will have the ability to print, email, or save this particular entry, or they call it article in here, but it's an entry from this particular book. If you want to email it to yourself, you can click the share button and select email, and you can send it to any email address that you would like. All you have to do is type it in and click send. This will also write your citation for you, so that's a big bonus. If you click on the word cite, you can select the MLA citation style, and then all you have to do to take it with you is quickly click on copy and then paste it into a Word document, or if you're saving things in the cloud, or if you want to put it in an email, you can do that as well. But just know that it's free and it's easy and it saves you a step from having to write it yourself. Now if we go back to the front page, you'll see we get back to our results here. If I wanted to change the term, I can just go up to the top. And if I say, well, maybe I'll change it to Mexico City. I want to change the topic of my paper. You'll see that you can get different terms to come up. Sometimes larger terms will come with this mind map over on the right, and so sometimes when you're writing your paper, kind of getting an idea of what to write about can be helpful. If I wanted to focus on the Mexican Revolution for a page, I can click on Mexican Revolution, and then I can see all of my entries have changed to the Mexican Revolution right here. If I want to go back to my original term of Mexico City, I can go on the right and click on Mexico City. Sometimes, though, the map doesn't appear. If you're doing a smaller search, like for conquistadors, I didn't get this mind map to come up, but for the larger terms, it will. Now, this can be counted as your one other source in your paper for Professor Webb's class. If you need any help at all using this product or you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your librarians. You can find our contact information right underneath the pictures in the Contact Us. I'm Jennifer Bone. You're welcome to email, call, or stop by. And Samantha Rogers is the other librarian on campus. We hope to help you soon. Good luck.